Okay, and then this is the PARCAT 2, this is symptoms. Eval is nothing but result. Eval is nothing but that particular result. What is the text for that? If it's number 2 is that good, 2 is the most day week. So the 3 is the most day week. 1 second. These are the questions. For example, describe your current health. Sorry, describe your current health. Okay, if the response is 2, then it's a good. For example, the cough, most days a week. Okay, and then bring up phlegm, most of the day week. Okay, shortness of breath, most day of the week. Okay, so if you can see that how many respiratory attacks. Okay, the 1 or 2 a week. So basically these are the questionnaire rated. Each and everything in the questionnaire is the test and test. Yes, coach. Some questions is it false and true, 0, 1 and response. If you can see the coughing hurts, yes or no, this false and true. Okay, for example, shortness of breath when talk, yes or no, the false and true. Get exhausted easily, true or false. Okay, these are the some responses. Okay, so these parameter looks like this one. Okay, the next is that ABLFLS is nothing but analysis baseline flag. Okay, in SDTM level we have the baseline. What is the baseline definition? Do you people remember what is the baseline flag definition SDTM level?
The most recent norm is on or before treatment started.
Is it on or before?
Prior
the treatment, right?
Yeah, the treatment.
So prior the treatment. So in ADAM level also same, the baseline definition would be the same, 99% most of the cases, but there will be some specific trial, there will be a second definition of the baseline. Okay, so this will be there anyway. The ABLFL will be straight away there. Okay, that is nothing but the baseline flag from SDTM. Sometime your analysis demands and they will also create the second baseline definition. So the second baseline definition, what is the second baseline definition means? So the normal baseline would be the latest non-missing prior to the treatment. Sometimes, okay, latest non-missing value, for example, before that and before treatment, there will be 3 records. For example, any vital signs captured 3 times before treatment, there will be 3 record. What we are going to do that? In that we are going to take the latest value. But my second baseline definition says that you can take the average of those 3 records. So that we are going to derive additional baseline flag. That is the second definition of your baseline flag. Anyway, that we will discuss in later. So okay, but you just remember. So ABLFLN is nothing but the numeric value of this baseline flag. Okay, so the base C, base type, and the percentage change from baseline. Okay, the base is nothing but what is the baseline value. For example, the 90 for the CSB for the particular subject, the base value comes here 90. Base is nothing but it's a character version of the base. Okay, and then the base type is nothing but okay. So generally the SDTM, whatever the value comes from the SDTM latest non-missing value, so the base type we can say that it's a last. Okay, so for example, if there are any secondary baseline value, secondary baseline definition, so what I said in previously, we should take the prior records average value, then we can put that value as a base type is the average. Okay, so change is nothing but what was the change, eval minus base. For example, our base value is the 90 and then eval is the 93. So 93 minus 90, what was the difference? I mean, what is the change value? It's 3. So the percentage change, again percentage change is nothing but okay. So it's 90 divided by 93 into 100. Okay, eval minus base divided by base into 100. This is the principle. So is that clear? Everyone so far clear? Okay, so if you can see that, okay, so this is the ABLFL, okay, the baseline flag, okay. So for this is BP, this record is flagged, diabetes, this record is flagged, pulse, this record is flagged, weight, this record is flagged. So next, if you can see, this is the visit 2, okay, these are the base values, okay. why we are saying that this flag is that baby level is this one. So this result is 130 eval. So it means the baseline value is 130 for these records. So the all base value would be 130 if you can see. So the next, this is the baseline, right? So again the change is nothing but the base minus eval. So if you can see here is the 130 minus 116, 37. So here 130 minus 122 is minus 8, minus 9. Okay, this is. And then these are the category N. Okay, change category 1, and okay, that's fine. And then percentage change and percentage okay, if you can say abnormally low. And then
How we can fix the base value, sir?
sorry.
Sir, how we can fix the base value? Means they are find out the 130 is the baseline value.
Right. I mean 130 is the baseline value means again the baseline definition reduced non-missing value prior to the treatment. Based on definition we can derive ABLFL, right? If this is the Y, then that value is based for that particular subject and test.
Okay.
Aర్థమైందా?
Like, will they provide the ABLF value, sir?
You should derive the ABLFL. How you derived in the SDTM level baseline flag? The same logic apply here. Latest non-missing value prior to the treatment. Is that clear or still you have doubts?
It's okay, sir.
Hello?
Yes, yes, sir. Okay, sir.
First of all, we need to derive the baseline flag. Based on that, you can find the base value, right?
So wherever is Y is there, that is the baseline value.
Yeah, that is the baseline value for the particular subject and particular test. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Next is, okay, this is the specification for that. Okay. So the base, BLFL change, percentage change, and all these things, how we are going to derive all this. This will be there. We can check in the specification level. And then, okay, this is the again example of analysis parameter with the baseline. Okay. So if you can see this, these are the particular records. And then A phase is that nothing but the pre-treatment and then double-blind treatment randomized phase. And then if you can see these records, these two records, we will have the BLFL 1 for this one. Okay. So the next is that okay, the base type, and then BLFL and the change. Okay. So these all are the records for the particular what we can say the double-blind phase. Okay. Base type is that DB. Okay. But this is the OL. Okay, this is for the DB and this is for the OL. So if you can see. And then the ratio, okay, this you can ignore because the rarest and rarest in a way, I mean, even I never do the chance to create of these to R2 base, R2 AYLO is not really required, okay. The D type, okay, the D type is nothing but okay derivation type, okay. This will take a while to understand why, because D type is the D type, param type, and the base type. These are the three variables which is very important. So that will be most of the interview they will ask these three variables: D type, base type, param type. So it will take some 10 to 15 minutes with a different example. I will cover that as well. So instead of taking another class, with these examples only I can cover. So that I think it will take a while, so that I will continue tomorrow. So I will stop it here. So is there any questions from anyone? Baseline value 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు ABLFL equal to y అంటే అట్లా నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు మీ క్వశ్చన్. మనం చేయాల్సింది ఫస్ట్ బేస్లైన్ డెరివేషన్ కదా.
సార్ ఒకసారి స్లైడ్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి, ఎక్సెల్ స్లైడ్. yes sir.
చెప్పండి.
ఎస్ సార్, ఈ సినారియోలో 130 బేస్ లైన్ డెరివేషన్ చేసుకొని 0 వస్తే 130 మైనస్ 130 y 0 వస్తుంది సార్. అప్పుడు y అదే ABLFL ఎలిజిబుల్ y అవుతుంది సార్.
అట్లా కాదు, ఎవరు చెప్పారు? ఫస్ట్ చేయాల్సిందే బేస్ లైన్ ఫ్లాగ్ డెరివేషన్ కదా. ఫస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ డెరైవ్ ద బేస్ లైన్ ఫ్లాగ్. దట్ బేస్ లైన్ ఫ్లాగ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ దిస్ రికార్డ్. So the subject, this is the baseline, then the what is the baseline value? 130. So that's why base value should be 130 again for all the records.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes sir.
So you are coming ulta. So this okay 130 minus 130 and then that's why this is the baseline. How you can say that? How you can find the 130? That's wrong.
Yeah.
First you should derive the baseline ABLFL, latest non-missing value prior to the treatment. This you have to derive. Then that value is your baseline value for that particular subject and test. Okay? Then based on that you can assign that value into the base. If you can see here, this is the 84. This is the baseline record. For that's why these all records would be base is 84. If you can see here the 66. The all record is the 66.
Yes.
Okay? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Is there any questions from anyone?
Sir, can you please share this information?
Yeah, I will put into the Word and then I will share with you all, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.